Afternoon guys! So today I'm going to show you how to make a painted cake with kind of a brush effect. So one coming from the top down and then from the bottom up with like a gap in the middle, which is where I'm going to put the name on this cake of the person who the cake's for. So what you need is a paintbrush, unused, clean, new from the shop, some lemon extract, or you can use vodka or any clear spirit really, but I'm not going to use that for this cake because it's a Holy Communion cake and that could create some issues for the parents if the children eat this and they get drunk. And then you also need some metallic gold dust as well. So what you're going to do is tip some of this out into a bowl and gradually mix in the lemon extract to kind of give you a paste that you're going to paint onto the cake. So just tip, say, half of the pot into the bowl and gradually mix in the lemon essence. One thing I forgot to say when I was making the video is that it is best to have a cake, to paint on the cake, it's best to have a cake that you covered the day before and you've sort of left it overnight and then it's kind of dry. Because otherwise, if you paint straight onto a cake that you've just covered, the sugar paste is soft, so you're going to make dent marks with the brush. So just leave it at least, I'll say at least 20 hours or so. Just leave it overnight and then you can paint on it after that. So as you can see, I've just put the powder in with the lemon essence and I'm just mixing it. Just stirring it in. So this consistency here is good, if you can see that. So it's kind of like still kind of drops because you're only going to use a tiny bit to actually put it on the cake. So get your brush, dip it in. You only need the tiniest little bit really, and you put it on your cake. So I've started here, as you can see. You want to try and get it sort of in the crevice if you can, and just brush up at different sort of heights. And if you're going to put a name on the cake, you want to kind of be aware of where you're going to put the name, just so you can make sure there's a big enough gap there. So it looks like you've planned it all to perfection, when really you're just winging it like me. So you can kind of see the effect we're going for there. So it just sort of looks like a painted cake really. To do the top of the cake, I'm just going to use a smaller brush and just go round, just do like a ring round where you want it to start, because I'm putting a cross on the top with lots of flowers. So just get some on your paintbrush and just with a steady hand just paint round where you kind of want the line to go to. So you kind of paint the edge round as accurately as you can, and then you can do the same with this top, with the paintbrush going top down. So get some of the, I want to say paint, obviously it's not paint, some of the stuff with the paintbrush. Remember where the front of your cake's going to be, and then just brush down. And that is as easy as it gets. So that's what I meant by the gap. So if you go all the way around, it's sort of thinner, and I've done like a sort of circle gap there where I'm going to put the boy's name whose cake it is. It looks uniform though, so I might just do a few little sweeps. So that is the finished product. So you've got a lovely lemon smelling gold effect cake. Really simple, cheap, and looks great. I hope that was useful. Subscribe to my channel, and there's all sorts of other videos that you might find useful, like how to cover a cake such as this in sugar paste, or how to make a cupcake bouquet, all sorts of different things. Thanks for watching, bye!